we did convenience, and I don't think it'd be biased, not really, because we asked sophomores, juniors, seniors. We couldn't ask no freshmen because freshmen would like they didn't want to participate. But we asked multiple people, and I don't think it's biased because everybody sleeps different times, and yeah. And the population was the whole school. The par meter was 50 students, and the sample was 50 students. The statistics was the convenience.
So with our given data that we had, we added up all the numbers and we ended up having 301 for our total, and then divided it by 50 from the students, and therefore we were able to have 6.01 as our mean. And then so for median, obviously we ordered them all as in order, and then we all canceled them each other out until like we got to the middle, and then we had two sixes in the middle. We obviously added them and then divided it by two, and our median was just 6 itself. And then for our mode, we would end up just having 7 because it was the most. Range would be our 8 highest, 1 lowest would be 7, and 5 numbers. Summary was that we had 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 would be our min, 8 would be our max, 5 would be Q1 would be 3.5 just by adding the 2 and then dividing it by 2. And then do the same thing for Q3, and then it'll be 6.5. And the other Brian will explain the standard deviation.
Okay, my part was the graphical representation and analysis because 4 and 5 connect to each other. The dot plot was this. One I had two x's, two I had 0, 3 I got 1, 4 I got 2, 5 got x, 5 I got 8, 6 I got 14, 7 got 19, 8 I got 4. This is box and whiskers. The min was 1. Q I think quarter 1 will be 3.5. The min will be 5. Quarter 3 will be 6.5. The max is 8. You got a minus 6.5 but 3.5 and you get 3. And the normal dispersion, this is this. That we got 6.01, and then the standard deviation was 1.5. So I added 1.5 and subtracted 1.5. Um, it does make sense from here to here, but then doesn't make sense from here to here because the reason being, because I feel like 35 should be 34 I mean should take off this much space, because we didn't get not nowhere from 9 to 10. So I feel like 9 to 10 should have been like the 0.1 part, but the 34, 13.5, 2.4, 0.1 don't do make sense from here, because we did get people from this average part. um Now the analysis part, we got this. Make two claims by your data results. The standard variation does make sense, and the percentage wise, that what the data was given, the standard variation makes sense because they're numbered together. So I feel like, because the 1.5 does make sense because we got 1 through 8 and they're so close together. So I feel like the standard variation should be close together also. Um, we did convenience. I think it'd be affected in a good way because I don't think it had a biased amount, because we asked different kind of people and they had their honest opinions. Interpret your saturation. The I had to add and subtract 1.5 so I can get the 34, 34, 13.5, 2.4, 0.1, and etc. going that way.